I know it's hard to believe, but I am not kidding. I am not lying. All of these fabulous poinsettias are from the dumpsters. Welcome to the Frugal family. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Julie. I'm the Frugal Mama. I've been dumpster diving and living frugally for the last 10 years to supplement our family's income and to finance our passions, our dreams, and our traveling. If living a full life on a budget is something you aspire to, consider subscribing. I found all of these last summer in a dollar store bin, and they've been sitting up in the attic just waiting and waiting for the perfect idea to pop into my head and for me to have enough of the right supplies to realize what I'm trying to create. I've got a piece of foam here from a wreath. It was a foam wreath and it was broken into a few pieces, and that was all in the bins. And so I grabbed all the pieces knowing I could come up with something. It didn't have to be a full wreath. It could be an arch. The possibilities were endless. I just had to get a little bit creative, think outside of the box, outside of the wreath. So we are going to use this piece of foam. I have lots of craft supplies, ribbons, and all kinds of notions and embellishments in the attic in our crafting center. All the stuff is from the bins. So as I'm going along, if something strikes me that, oh, I need something sparkly, I need something shimmery, I need something shiny, I need something kind of matte, kind of dull, I can hop up into the attic and find whatever other supplies I need to make this the masterpiece that I'm dreaming of. Here on this wall, I have an arrangement that I've been working on. If you've been following us and our dumpster diving ride-alongs, you'll recognize this big square black empty frame as one that I found in a Michael's bin. That's all there was to it, just that frame. No glass, no matting, no backing, and I didn't need any of those other things because I love the idea of hanging empty frames and then filling in the inside space with all kinds of pictures and decorations and knickknacks. So what we've got here is a Kirkland's sconce that I bought, oh geez, probably 15 years ago, that has lived in a million different places in my home throughout the years. I have a frame where there's a picture of my family on one of our hiking adventures, and that was just either a dump store or thrift store frame that came with the mat and had some other picture in it. And I just did a thin wash of white paint over the frame and made it, you know, kind of rustic barn style. And then up here, we have a Christmas photo collage that I did for my husband for Christmas a few years ago. Now, in between, we have this little dead space, and that is where our floral arrangement wall hanging is going to go. I got out my dumpster-salvaged pair of pliers. The glue guns are heating up. I think we should just jump in and get going on this. I practice the rule of threes when it comes to flower arrangements, at least with my foundations. I'll start with 3 of each element, each flower, each leaf, and then build from there. When it comes to filler, I'm not so concerned about the 3s, but more just filling in the empty spaces.
And we ring in the next news.
Balance is one of the most important and most difficult things to achieve in a floral arrangement and in crafting in general. Constantly be checking, looking, trying out, and then standing back and seeing what spots look empty, what spots look over full. Add or take away as needed. Holy cow, look at these. When I got all these flowers out of the bins, I did not notice this, but as I've been taking them apart and selecting the ones I want to use, I found these in there. Look how pretty they are.
And keep back to myself. I'll